Exercise number 1, ready, start. This review petition has been preferred by the original writ petitioner seeking review of the order passed by this court in WP C number 4695/2020, which was preferred as a PIL for the benefit of advocates staff. The writ petition was dismissed vide our order dated 29th July 2020 staff. Having heard the petitioner in person and looking to the facts and circumstances of the case, we see no reason to entertain this review petition, mainly for the reason that there is no error apparent on the face of the record in our order dated 29th July 2020 in WP C number 4695/2020 staff. Much has been argued out by the review applicant party in person about the previous orders, wherein notices have been issued by this court in matters pertaining to creation of the post of Advocate General in Delhi, selection process for the students, etc., which are annexed as annexures to the memo of the review petition staff. We have perused those annexures staff. The present case is a PIL preferred by the party in person for including advocates in the definition of the word professional under the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006 staff. We are of the view that the advocates are capable of filing their own litigation if they wish to do so, full stop. On this point itself, we have dismissed the writ petition as a PIL staff. In the case of Meera versus Nirmala Kumari, reported in 1995 1 SCC 170, the Honorable Supreme Court at para 8 and 9 held as under stop paragraph. It is well settled that the review proceedings are not by way of an appeal and have to be strictly confined to the scope and ambit of Order 47, Rule 1, CPC staff, in connection with the limitation of the powers of the court under Order 47, Rule 1, Wahil, dealing with similar jurisdiction available to the High Court, Wahil, seeking to review the orders under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. This court, in the case of A. Sharma versus P. Sharma, (start) within bracket 1979 4 SCC 389:AIR 1979 SC 1047 (close), speaking through J. Reddy, has made the following pertinent observations. Stop paragraph. It is true, as observed by this court in so and so versus State of Punjab (start) AIR 1963 SC 1909 (close), there is nothing in Article 226 of the Constitution to preclude the High Court from exercising the power of review which inheres in every court of plenary jurisdiction to prevent miscarriage of justice or to correct grave and palpable. Stop.